Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best automotive wire connectors you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many automotive wire connectors and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each automotive wire connectors so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an automotive wire connector. First, you need to check the connector's material quality because durable materials resist heat, vibration, and corrosion. Always look for connectors made from high-quality plastic or metal that can handle harsh automotive conditions. Second, consider compatibility with your vehicle's wire gauge and electrical system to ensure a proper fit and safe connection. Third, evaluate the connector's sealing and waterproof rating, especially if it will be exposed to moisture or dirt. Fourth, think about ease of installation, since connectors with clear markings and secure locking mechanisms save time and prevent mistakes. Finally, check for brand reliability and product certifications to guarantee long-term performance. Paying attention to these factors will help you make a safe and lasting choice. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.